Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can insert rows in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, firstly select the cell on which you want to insert rows. So keep in mind, when you will select cells and your new rows will be added over the selected cell. So after selecting the cells, so just click the home options and then you will see insert option. So just click on it and here you can see the options of insert sheet. So when you will click on it, your new rows will be added over the selected cells. So I am selecting this, so you can see the new row is inserted over the selected cell. So guys, in this way you can insert anywhere rows in the Excel. For example, if I want to insert here new rows, so I am selecting these cells. So again go to insert options and then click on insert sheet rows. So you can see the new rows is added. So guys, in this way you can insert rows in the Excel. So guys, you can watch another useful videos on my channel. So go to playlist and here you can find another videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.